All right, we are at the Union Arcade in Davenport. We've got some Montgomery elevators modded by Kone here. It looks like right there used to be the old call station. Sucks that I didn't get to see all this old stuff around QC Original. Montgomery probably did some crazy stuff in here. Montgomery? Oh dear, I think these are all locked. Yeah. Fully locked. Well, we're gonna have to wait for somebody to come. Have a good one.
You too. Have a good Thanksgiving.
Thank you, you as well. Is it the Union Arcade? These are fast. Sadly, this is one where you have to scan up. Takes a second to level though. Oh wow. Look at this. It's the Union Arcade building, and look, that car is original, but it is defunct, so it doesn't run anymore. Montgomery. Whoa, these are fast. Maybe we'll get another ride up.